Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video. I am a big fan of pallet wood. Everything I do is made from pallet wood. Even this project now, it's a wall clock made out of 3 boards of the pallet wood. The clock is gonna be called the 4 seasons clock. If you wanna know why, you'll have to watch it to the end, and then you know why I call it a all seasons clock. It was great fun. I bought a pyrography kit not long ago. I was making stuff for decoration for the wedding for our kids, and I really enjoyed using it, so I decided to make a wall clock. I had this idea for a very long time, and then finally when I got the pyro kit, I've done it and I've recorded. Some of the part of the project is missing because the battery died and I didn't know, so it's not much, but yeah, it's part of it is missing, but still I think it's still good to watch, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. And if you enjoy it, just like and subscribe please, will be big thing for me, because this is my first video and I just wonder if people are gonna like my job. Thank you guys.
Og drumrinn dynur, hjartalogar engi, ótti sinnur, sverð og skjöldur við berum fram, í stormanót við fylgjum ham. Horning glymja með mátt og dýrð, krafnar fljúa við sækjum styrk, fjöll og folder dynur undir sár, blóður og drumur eilíft ár. Standum hátt, blóður og sverð í hjarta mját, stormur og dýnu við fylgjum trú, horning kveða í nótt sem nú, hermenn rísa með styrk og harð, dýnur og hjälp í hjarta stark, egg og máttu við berum nú, blóður og drumur eilíft trú.
Klæddur hermaður stendur hátt, Hjarta logar með styrk og skatt, sverð og skjöldur ver berum fram í stormanót ver fylgjum hann. Horning klymja dumur og kraft, rafnar fljúa ver sækjum haft, fjöll og folder til dránir sá, drömmur lættar kappi eilíf dó. Strength across the land. On her warrior fight the lands. Björn mínur í himmins ljóma, Þórinn kveður með elding sóma, jörður títrar, fjöllin rinja, þrumur og heldur engi með minja, hamar helgur með afs og skæt, brýtur og brennir huggum stæt, tíminn rofnar, stormbrinn kallar, Þór eyði allt nú fallar.
Every heart is
Innri loft, Þórinn róis með mátt og mót. Jörð titrar, fjöllin hrynja, hornin glymja við berum sína. Hjarta brennir með styrk og trú, sverð og skjöldur við fylgjum þú. Dynur og eld í stormahátt, hamar lifir í eilífs skap. The northern skies, every strike the mountains quake, every soul its strength shall take. Raise your voice, the gods will hear, echoes roar both far and near. Through the ages strong and fast, the hammer's force shall ever last. Í orrostu hann lyftir há, hamar brýtur með eld og skatt. Blóður á fold en hjarta logar, stormar og kraftur en gíóti drogar. Hermenn fylgja með mátt og trú, hornin glymja í hjarta sú. Ekk og styrk hver beru nú, hamar og brytjan í eilífs sú. Hammer og yelling, strike through night. Hammer og yelling, power and might. By hammer's call the storm awakes, through fire and frosty earth it shakes. Our voices ring with might as power stays. Með hamar bjarg, eldur í loft í hjarta har. Híminn klofnar dynrin skín, trúmur og eldur með helgan vín. Hornin glymja í stormanót, við fylgjum af með trú og stóð. Fjöll og foldur þeir titra djúp, Þórinn slær í eilíft sú. Shall know his name.
styrk och tro. Ordning glimja i hjärtas ro, yndling glimja i loftig haut, Thorins leir i eilivt gau. For strike, burn the sky, for strike, steadily high. Through night and fire the world is sworn. Our voices ring with might, forever strong. Syngur hatt, vind och eld i loftig skaut, svärd och skölder vi bärum fram, hjärta bränner i dyrdar hand. Ordning klimja, dinner och kraft, stormring kallar i hjärta haft. Gjöll och folder till själva nu, ekostormer ver fylgum tro. Storm, echo, feel the strike. Storm, echo, power alive. The clouds, the hammer flies, every shout, the storm replies. Lightning tears, the skies embrace, every heart shall know its place. Raise your swords, lift shields in line, voices roar, the echo shine. In the halls where legends grow, Stormbreaker's might will always show. Hamar lifir með af, blóður og held í hjartaskal. Hermenn hrópa, storminn syngur, tínar og ljós í fjall og þingur. Hornin glimja í lofti bjart, Stormbreaker kveður með mátt og hart. Ekko hljómar í nótt svo djúp, hans völd lifa í eilíft súr. Storm, echo, feel the strike. Storm, echo, power alive. Storm, the echoes rise, hammer and fire across the skies. Our voices ring with might as power flies. Feel the strike.
Stormen ropar yfir Midgardsfold, eldur och trummor i eiliva mold. Jörmungander rysor djupen sig, dyner och krafter ver ropen med. Horning glimja stormen skil, folder och fjölt tetra i liv. I handa manna och tetra i, råar och Midgard ej lyft man. Roll sky, hear the cry. Roll sky, Midgard
med hammar jomma i storma trä. Elder i loft i folder tetra djupt. Han saffler åbrott i hata sot. Till min klockna vinden skin. Trummen kattla med helgan ben. Hornet strength, break the night flame. Hornet strength, the gods true strength. Through the storm his power flows. Every strike the fire grows. Lightning tears the heavens wide. No shadow left for fear to hide. Raise your hammers, feel the flame. Every heart shall know his name. Stand as one with voices loud. The thunder shakes. The earth is proud. The earth is proud.
haft. Thunder's strength, break the night's length. Thunder's strength, the gods' true strength. Strength eternal, the storm shall rise. With fire burning in the skies. Our voices cry with might. The thunder rejoices. Sonur góðan stendur í brand, hjarta logar með styrk í hand. Frumur og keldur hann rís af kraft, í himins ljóma með einu haft. Engi ótti næver sjá hans stig, og foldum dynur hans helgi brig. Hornin glimja í storma ve, sónring kallar með affls og tre. Sunlight, rise into the fight. Sunlight, burn with endless light. Through the storm he takes his stand, thunder rising, fire in hand. Every blow the skies ignite, shadows fall before his might. Raise your voice, the call is near, echo loud so all shall hear. By his strength the world shall see, the son of power, wild and free. Han ständer med dans, svärd och skuldror i stormaskaf. Jörder tydrar en hjärta bränner, frumör i loftig. Sem ej liver känner, härmen fylja med troarsteg. Sonrin kallare fyljumlig, horning glimja i mörkre bjart. Hans dyrder lever ej liver start. Sun might rise into the fight. Sun might burn with endless light. The storm is near, through blood and fire none shall fear. Our voices ring with pride. The world rejoices.
dansar í skýjasúp. Sonnrinn fætur af krafti þrum, hjarta